ईरान ने बता दिया कि वो अपने दुश्मन नंबर 1 और दुश्मन नंबर 2 के साथ फिर से युद्ध के लिए पूरी ताकत के साथ तैयार है।
जिंदगी को तबाह करते बीसते।
ईरान के सर्वोच्च नेता अली खamenei ने कह दिया कि ईरान झुकेगा नहीं, ईरान डरेगा नहीं और ईरान से अब कोई टकराएगा तो बचेगा नहीं।
Well, I think one thing President Trump is very good at is always keeping all of his options on the table, and airstrikes would be one of the many options that are on the table for the commander-in-chief. Diplomacy is always the first option for the president. He's told all of you last night that what you're hearing publicly from the Iranian regime is quite differently from the messages the administration is receiving privately, and I think the president has an interest in exploring those messages. However, with that said, the president has shown he's unafraid to use military options if and when he deems necessary, and nobody knows that better than Iran.